Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and click the notification button for more update. So guys, Kholo went live on TikTok explaining how her relationship with Shebe started. So people started to mock her, people started to bully her. Kore mara batho le jwang mara. Okay, anyway, listen to the video that I have attached, and please guys do comment, like and share, and also please subscribe those who haven't subscribed. Thank you.
A re ke kometseng ka pele enngwe ash lena banyana ba o bula kholo ko social media. Let me tell you something se le sa sitsing, and then get it into your skull. Shebe le kholo ba thomile o ratana ko primary, ena se ba bantši ba ba ntseng ko primary till to date ba sale ba botle. Mo history e etsahetse lena ba o bula kholo ko social media. Le nagana gore when you bull her or you bully her o tlo tlhala Shebe. It won't happen. It won't happen. La ipora stopang dilo tse le di etsang. Lerato la bona le solid ba ntse from go primary ba thomile e le dichomi until to date ba sale ba botlhe be ba nna le ngwana be ngwana ba shia. So hona no re wena o tlo tla ka Brian Lasenzo le G-string ya Lasenzo o tlo wina Shebe. That hallucination it's a plan or lensing. It's a plan or lensing because Shebe o rata kholo, and Shebe o le bona bana ka difene tsa hae. O le bona bana ka difene tsa hae. That's why ko ayang o tsamaya le kholo ha she kholo hope. So tseo tsa lena tsa gore le tlhole le no tso bula ngwana motho ko social media, it must come to an end, because I know hore people ba ba jealous if a person a le pila bona ba mmona le skobo. Mara monna he o mo rata ka mkhwaleng nna mo pela matlho a rena, especially nna mmatswala ke mmona le pila. She's a perfect fit to Shebe. So stop a nonsense le hallucination le nang yona, thinking when you bully her o fitla ko ntlong a lwe le monna a ka se yetse. She's very smart and she's very intelligent, that woman. Don't underestimate her. Maburu or white people babulete bo Jan van Riebeeck, but dynamite comes in small packages. Kholo she's very smart. And wa mmona hore ke wife material. Le tlo ikutlwisa botlhoko ka re hona banong re emetse white wedding and it's just around the corner. Le tlo itshachara. She's not going anywhere. Ke mosadi ya letlhogonolo ana kwa yang. Kholo ke mosadi ya letlhogonolo ke monna kholo. A ona ko ba yang batho ba le ba ratana, and a le tlo tla ka ditshilanyana tsa lena le ditlharenyana tsa lena oro le matrikwane nyana lena. It's not gonna happen. Batho ba le ba ratana. Get it into your skull. Into your skull. Get it into your skull. Ya ba khaohantsa le ka sloke nna le bo matolo se ba lena ka re le ba dumelletse ba nna ko e nna ma park shop ba le betcha ka di 2 ranta. Kholo build le Shebe a builder kholo ke ka mkhotsontsweng iragale mara ka re lena le ikhetetse ma park shop ene ba palla go lirela dio tse pile le nya go thuba motsa Shebe ka o bula kholo. She's very strong. Ali mo iriselo bila le mo chicken. Stop and ditshila tse le dirang tseo. builda ma-park shopo ao a lena ao bo matolose ba lena bao ma-linera ao a lena ao di-house breaker tsa di-boyfriend tseo tsa lena tseo di-thugs tseo tsa lena tseo di-building change maphelo a bona ba tlo le leboga morago le tlwele o nyako thuba this castle e pila e re bonang. And take my advice, it's never too late to change your man from the tsela tse mpe tsa dirang to a good ways tsa tlabeng o matla gore a di etse le khawaneng le kholo. She worked very hard gore wa hae a be mo aleng le wena betla wa hao le gore le wena o swenke ka ena. And the way le ngala bolo o tsila mo bula ne mara ali iputsise ntwe wane gore re busy re bula kholo mara monna hae kwa yang o tsamalena. What does that tells you? Shebe loves kholo. And let me tell you ba tlhakole. In fact ke nya go botsa kholo a ire biography. A ire biography ya hae le shebe. Maybe ba ba tlhang skolong ba khonong ho e bala ba tla understand ba se skolong ba tla educator ke ba ba tlhang skolong gore mola it's a no go. Couple ela is stable and ba intact ba tekateke bana ka pinela ba re ha tekateka ko mukhumana tekateka shebo ka se mola tlhapetswe a ka se latlhe side shebe bilo ka re ha tailwe kona nya ka khulu motho kwa hae. And if you look pila and if you following them pila khulu ko di eventeng anu because of she wants to make sure gore monna hae o right. So tloelang di tshila tse le dirang le tloeleng di tshila tse di dirang tsa o bula kholo le mo leseng o need a space o need gore a be sharpo a need lena gore le tlhole le motlhakatlhakantsa. She's been through a lot. She just lost a child. I need di tshila tsa lena le maraka la sa lena otherwise le